This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Stephanie Jarvis Caskell. Fifth bedroom is an office addition with a private entrance and lots of built-ins and desk. Could be mother-in-law with nearby full bath. Great flow floor plan with formal living room and dining room plus family room. Large beautifully renovated kitchen with upgraded raised panel cabinets, granite counters, ceramic tiles backsplash, and stainless appliances. Bar area plus large eat-in area west/5 windows and work desk. Great backyard with large partially covered deck. Large shed/workshop. Replacement windows. Room over garage connects to second floor and first floor. Master is spacious with neutral carpet. Large walk-in closet with custom built-ins. Bath has whirlpool tub and separate shower. For more information, review the details below.